Model, 2018 Ford Transit Custom 310 L2 Diesel Front-Wheel Drive 2.0 TDCi 130ps Low Roof Crew Cab Limited Van Spares OR Repairs Belt Snapped Grin BARGAIN Grin Body, Silver, Crew Cab Mileage, 116960 Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130psa Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped. Very simple and easy for someone who wants to repairs this star-struck. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, 2 keys, air con, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.